today's video will be a juice video, which will include kiwi, dragon fruit, mangoes, and pineapple. Dragon fruit is not a fruit that I like to eat. However, I love to add it in my juices along with the kiwi. I can't tell you what it tastes like when you peel it to eat it, but watch this video and let me know your take on dragon fruit and kiwi in juicing. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a video upload, and please remember to give your girl a like. It is for free. Stay tuned for my juice video. 5-star juicing today will be some dragon fruit, pineapple, mangoes, kiwi with lemon and some ginger. Dragon fruit is rich in antioxidants, phenolic acid. It's naturally fat-free and very high in fiber. You know what that means. If you're having gut health issues, this is really good for you because it is high in fiber. And we all know fiber is essential. It will help you to get to the bathroom if you have issues going there. So I combine this with mango, kiwi, and some pineapple. For the dragon fruit, it really doesn't have a taste. It's like really bland. So for the seeds in the dragon fruit, and I made sure to Google this, they are edible. Don't worry about them. These seeds contain fiber that I did mention to you that our bodies need. So don't worry about the seeds. We eat the seeds from the kiwi. Don't worry about the seeds. At first, when I tasted it, I was like, oh, there's so much seeds. But don't worry yourself about the seeds. So I washed and I peeled all my fruits, mangoes, kiwi. The dragon fruit, the skin is easy to remove. I used lemon, I used ginger. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Today I'll be doing a juice video that has a lot of health benefits for you and also for me. It is free to watch the video, free to like, free to drop a comment, and also free to hit that subscribe button. There is no charge to this. It is free. Support your girl by following and liking all my videos when you watch them. That is the only support I'm asking from you. Watch my videos and also give the videos a like. Show your girl some love by liking the videos. I'll be using water today to juice instead of my juicer. Added my fruit with water, or my fruits with water, and I did the dragon fruit and kiwi together. Due to them both having the same little seed thing in it, and I used a regular strainer, and I also used a cloth strainer to help with the seed removal. And if you watch this video to the end, you will see me tasting this juice. It was so delicious. I really enjoyed it. For the regular, I just blend my fruits, and of course I strained my mango, I strained my pineapple. And in this juice, I normally use honey to sweeten my drink, but because I made a large jug for my family, I did use a little sugar as sweetener, which we all know is not good for us, but we still do intake sugar. And I used lemon to also add a little flavor to it, along with some ginger. Once done, I sweetened, although we know that the mango should be sweet, but these mangoes here are Asian mango. They're not like the Jamaican mangoes, which are sweet. I flavored, and let me tell you something, this tasted really, really good. I also did a taste test, which if you watch the video to the end, you will see me tasting this. Dragon fruit has lots of health benefit. Kiwi, lots of health benefit. Although I hear a lot of persons say pineapple is not good, I think pineapple does have benefits to it. And I love me a pineapple juice, especially homemade. And I love eating pineapple. Because I wanted to, I added some blueberries to my glass. And here I poured my juice. Hey guys, so I finished juicing and I'll be tasting my juice. So you see, look at it, I added some blueberries and some orange peel on the side with a little grape. So watch me while I take a sip. Tastes really, really delicious. Thank you for stopping by on your way in, on your way out. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another upload. Stay tuned. A teaser of my next video upload. Stay tuned also for my next live video in the week. Thank you all for always being there on my lives. I'll be doing a live every week. Stay tuned.